Happy new catalog day, stamping friends. It's Jackie Ballheis from Clomp & Stampers, and today I just want to do a quick video to show you that I really have been stamping because I haven't shared a lot of new ideas with new products yet, but I wanted to show you just some of the cards that I've made. These are all cards that are going to show up in the coming months on my blog, along with details. Some of them might have tutorials, some of them might be part of my stamps in the mail. You just never know, but I thought I would give you a sneak peek today. So first off, we have the Accented Bloom stamp set. This is one that caught my eye right away, partly because of this punch. Do you recognize it? It was in the Occasions catalog, and it's back, and they've created a stamp set that coordinates beautifully with it. This stamp set at first didn't look like there was a lot of different things that you could do with it, but you can color, you can cut a very simple card with just black in any color. This one I kind of had fun. I did some embossing, and then I went ahead and colored it to make those flowers pop. My hello is embossed as well. Wanted to try to get a little different shape here, and then I used the punch with the greeting instead of the thank you or the hello one. Well, and then of course you got to play with the brand new in colors and the punch, and I just made two fun, bright cards with it. And I didn't stop there. I thought, let's really work on showing off some of these brand new in colors. So I made 3 cards, all basically identical, using the new 2018-2020 in colors. So we have Blueberry Bushel, got to think on these, Call Me Clover, isn't that a pretty green? And of course, Lovely Lipstick. I think this is the one that everybody's dying to get their hands on. But look at how quick and easy these cards look. They truly were. I used a little bit of the new Designer Series paper. This paper is available in every single one of our colors. It's going to be a standard of mine, I know that for sure. And then before we move on to the next stamp set, I wanted to give you a sneak peek at these 3 cards. These again are made with Accented Blooms, and you'll hear all about these cards. They're my stamps in the mail that's going to debut on June 5th. So watch for details on that. So let's go ahead and look at another stamp set I've been playing with. This stamp set is called Varied Vases. Now again, this one is one that you are going to have so much fun with, and it's so versatile because you can stamp in color or just stamp with ink and punch. There's a beautiful punch to punch all these little pieces and all the vases out. So these are just some of the cards that I've made already. And once again, all of these will show up on my blog with details or possibly be a tutorial or part of the stamps in the mail. I'm thinking this might be the July stamps in the mail featured stamp set. So look for a lot more ideas with this stamp set coming soon. Okay, hold on as we look at the Rooted in Nature. I know I say my favorite a lot, but this might possibly be my favorite bundle in the new catalog. Look at all of these cards. I just could not stop playing with it, and there's still a million ideas spinning in my head. So here's some simple ones that I did not use the Designer Series paper that coordinates with it, but I've been having fun playing with all of the different greens. We've got some new greens, and I just love, you know, here in Michigan, it's finally summer and all the leaves are filled with trees. And I love when I look outside and I see so many different greens amongst all of the trees. So simple thinking of you card. Again, just playing with lots of different greens here. Then I hauled out the paper, the Coordinating Designer Series paper, and I just went crazy. So again, watch for these cards all to be featured in the coming months. I just wanted to kind of give you a sneak peek and let you know that I've really been playing a lot lately. I'm sure this will be one of the stamps in the mail as well. I'm going to make sure I share more details as we lead up until June 5th on the stamps in the mail. But basically, you make a purchase and I send you a free card kit along with a tutorial for 3 different projects. You'll get to make 6 cards all together, plus some bonus tutorials. So the whole idea is that when you get a stamp set, I want to make sure you're using it. So I want to give you the supplies to make 6 cards, but I also want to furnish you even more ideas so that card that stamp set never sits on your shelf uninked. So there's a peek of a whole bunch of Rooted in Nature cards that I've made. I think some of these I've already shared with you as I've been featuring some of the new Designer Series papers, but I'm going to put them onto this video as well just so you can see all the fun I've been having. Here is the thank you again from that accented blooms. So it's perfect to work with even outside of that stamp set. But these are all using the Designer Series paper. Yep, these I know I shared, but thought I'd share them again. And there is the hello again. So I'm really loving that one. So I hope this just gives you a sneak little peek into what I've been doing the last probably about 6 months. And I look forward to sharing so much goodness with you in this brand new 2018 annual catalog that begins today. Make sure you check out my blog and all of the details to get a catalog if you don't already have one, and also about my brand new Stampin' Rewards program. Now, every time you place an order with me, you're going to earn Stampin' Rewards that you can cash in for free products. And what's better than free products? So as always, if you have questions, let me know. I am here to help you. I would love to be your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I look so forward to sharing a lot of Stampin' ideas with you in the future. Have a stamp happy day.